How about the 1929 Ford Model A pickup, black over black, 3,800 actual miles. Stunning restoration. I find that hard to believe.
Beauty.
I question that.
It's a good-looking truck.
It is a dang good-looking truck.
Red wheels and everything.
Yeah, 201 cubic inch four-cylinder. It's got the original wood, 3-speed manual transmission. These trucks are popular. I tell you, our truck room is thinning out. We need trucks. Bring us more trucks, please.
Bring your trucks.
Bring your trucks because we're running a little low on inventory and we can sell them pretty quickly these days.
Although there's some new ones in the back.
There are some new ones.
Really cool.
So we've got some interesting ones. And as we talked about at our auction, the trucks did really well. Trucks are, for some reason, and nobody would have thought that trucks would have been collectible back in the day. People used a truck until it was completely used
That's
up.
probably why they're collectible now.
Exactly, because
there's good ones.
There's not many of them left because you wrung every inch out of them,
That's
so
true.
to speak.